Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about uh, what should you do if you want to marry someone, some special person, particular person. If you want to marry some particular person, then think about their name and uh, close your eyes and look at their face, and uh, then you can choose the pile you are attracted most. And your question is that what should you do to marry that person? Okay, so I'm going towards the reading number one. For those who choose the pile number one with this blue color earring, your first card is judgment card. Whatever happening in this situation, this is from universe, from your God, from Allah. And this is from Allah, this is from universe, whatever happening in this situation. And I think you are attracted to some person, you have desires for that person, and you want to. And this is very stable, I think, relationship. No, you are attracted to some person, and you want to marry them. You want to begin something new with them, or you want to begin something with your money. You are offering your money to them to come towards you, I think so. And this situation leads you to a lot of stress, a lot of burden, a lot of thoughts, but your wishes are going to fulfill. With this card, under that judgment card, your wishes is going to fulfill. Okay, and you are marrying them, and you are happy at your marriage day, wedding day, and this is going to happen very soon. But there is no love in this situation, there is no love in this relationship, and you can't leave them, you can't change that thing. Okay, somebody have to leave other person, or maybe you have to change your thoughts about that person, and then the love will enter your life, and or maybe they are going to apologize you. I want to clarify this Eight of Cups. Okay, I clarify the Ace of Cup card in opposite position, and that is because you or that person, maybe that person. Acha. And I think you are in love with sorry, your person is in love with someone else, and they have lot of desire, lot of dreams, lot of love for them. They are planning lot of for that person, and that's why there is that tension in that situation. And because the death card is upside down, because they are taking their time to relax themselves, or to think about that situation, for some making some decision about you. And with this Eight of Cups, they want to leave you because they have some third party situation, and they want to leave you, or this is you who want to leave them. And with this Page of Cups, you are going towards someone else, like a child, like a youngster, and teenager, like a teenager, and you are going to apologize them, or you are going to towards someone else, with you are proposing someone else, and because you are thinking about that person, and you are missing that person, and now you are going towards that person. That's what I am seeing in this situation. Or maybe you have to cross a long road to have them. in your life. I think someone is not happy with other person, and then when they leave the thought about the third party, if that person is you or your wife or husband, they uh, they leave the thought of that third party, then they are coming towards you and apologizing you, because they are thinking that this is not justice, this is not good for you, or this is not the justice, this is not right to do towards you. You deserve their love. Okay, and now with these oracle cards, past life relationship, definitely this is the past life relationship. I think you have had that person before in your life. Then you had let them go, and now they are coming towards you once again. Okay, pink lotus fairy, a time for spirit. Okay, a time for spirit. Okay, you have to connect to Allah, connect to your spirits, connect to whatever you worship, and purify your thoughts about that person. Okay, marry a masquerade, glamour, intrigue, drama. That person wearing the mask, I think that person, first that person will come to you with a lot of burden in their mind, because they don't love you now. They are thinking about someone else. They have no love for you, and they are stuck with you over here. They are planning over here. They're trying to go towards their love, and they are leaving you in this situation, and they are wearing the mask over here because they are missing someone else. And ghost of the past, the past returns for you for a time. That person is coming towards you for a time, a period of time, and then they will move towards someone else. Stingray, that person is stingray, definitely. That person is not the good person. They are having the mask on their faces. They are the past ghost, and they are not good person. They are having something in their mind. They are coming towards you with a lot of burden, lot of stress. They are not coming to you with the ace of water, ace of cups, and that's what you have here in this situation. You are going to marry that person. Your wishes are coming true. You are happy with them. They are happy with them. They are not stressing you. They are not doing bad to you, but they want to move towards that person. This will happen very soon. This person is coming towards you very soon, and then because they don't have any love for you in their mind, so they are planning to move towards their true love. And that person is hiding a lot of things. That person having in their mind a lot of things. Their mind is working all the time, and yes, definitely they are going to leave you. They are the poisonous, the stingy person. They want to leave you. I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, but your first card is always believe that is something wonderful is about to happen. Yes, this is for you. Always believe that something beautiful is happening towards you, or something happening with you. That is wonderful. That is good, enjoyable. They are a good person. They are not. They are, I think they are doing this to you because they want someone else, and they are not even breaking your heart. They as much as they live with you, they are making you happy, thinking that something is will not something bad is not happening to you, and they are look after you. They are happy with you, enjoying the time with you. And then when they got the chance to go towards that person, they are sneaking out. Okay, purple color, You have to wear a lot of purple color when you are going towards that person, when you are having the date with that person. Okay, so that person will attract towards you. Purple color attract love, attraction, and passion. Set reasonable standard for what will accept from others, and higher standard for yourself. Okay, don't accept too much with that from that person. That person is giving all that she or he have in their life. At that time they are giving to you. They are making you happy. They are spending the time more joyfully, more happily, more taking care of you, by taking care of you. But they have to leave you. Okay, you have vivid dreams. Okay, gifted at it, having meaningful vivid dreams that you can understand. In fact, some of them may even true. Yes, you are going to have some dream about them, and that is going to be true. Penrose Wood. Okay, with that card I got that person that you are going to marry, this person is very very witty, very clever, very wise person. They are planning all about it, and they are doing it. For some of you they are not doing it willfully, or some for some people that they are doing it willfully, and because they want to move towards someone else, because they love someone else, and you are the you are stopping them. Okay, Angel, god of ships and sea, to sail you out of the storm. Help from God, get your destiny, to get what you want, winning, yet pass through problems. Okay, stresses, and with this Angel card, he once married to the goddess Skadi, and that girl thinks that this person is very beautiful because she sees his feet, and his feet is very beautiful. She thinks that he is a very beautiful person when she look at his face after marriage, she know that he is not as beautiful as she thinks. Now she want to move forward, and in 9 days and 9 nights they are separated. Angel want to go towards that Skadi, but she don't agree to live with him, and he after that he okay, those who choose the pile number 2 with this that peach color earring, your first card is Ace of Swords upside down. You have no clarity, no truth, over this situation. You don't know how to go towards that person, how to propose them, how to tell them that you love them, and you are begging to someone to having that person in your life, to marry them, and that situation is coming towards you very slowly, the very slow uh, uh, energy. And with this page of pentacles upside down, now you are not a child, you are grown up person. You are thinking that thing as a grown up person. You are mature and you know what you have to do, what you want, what you need in your life. And you are not moving towards that situation. You are not attracted to that person. You don't have any love for that person. I think they are begging you, their parents are begging you for to marry their daughter or son, some anyone, but you are not agree with it, because you know, because you are not any more a child. You're a grown up person, you can decide on your own. This situation needs some temperance, some patience, some time to heal. And some wise person, maybe it's you or someone else. I think in this group someone is from, they are Taurus, Libra, Taurus, Gemini, Sagittarius, Pisces. Yes, that person. And you or them have to heal, because they are not coming to the person. One person is not coming towards the other person. And High Priestess, this situation needs wisdom, a help from somebody that who is very wise, who can solve this problem. And somebody is blocking the other person over here. If maybe it's you or them who is blocking the other person, they don't want to marry that person. Is that's why because they have no clarity, they have no truth over it, they don't know any truth over it. Okay. And at the middle of the cards, they have no attraction, they are not coming towards you. So this is block over here, this situation is block over here. You have to wait for them. Maybe they got the clarity and they got the wisdom to come towards you. I want to clarify some more cards. There is no progress in this situation, they are not coming towards you. And you both have to balance this situation. But they are not agree with it to come towards you. So this situation is not moving anywhere. You need more strength, more power, more energy to do it. You need help from others, and you have to do charity works, help others, so that they can help you. And Justice card, the person, whatever you do to them or they do to you, they got it back from universe. If they do bad to you, they got punishment. If they do good to you, they got some prize. They are not happy with you, they don't like you, they are thinking about some other person. They want you to they don't want you to be happy, they don't like you. They are addicted towards someone else, they like someone else. Okay, they have the mask on their face, they don't want to come towards you. They are not telling anybody that what they want, and they want to betray you. It's good that they are not with you at this time. and they are protecting themselves. The wheel of fortune is with you because the justice, because of the justice. This is the justice towards you, that they are not coming towards you. You are moving towards someone else, and that person is very good. They are in love with you. They like you. They want to make something. They want to give what they have to you. They want to share what they have with you, and they are a very good person. But you have to make your mind. You have to decide something. You have to leave that person, that previous person, to go towards this other person. Yes, you have to be determined about this situation, and you have to be stubborn to leave that person and go towards that person, so you can have that person in your life. You have to be mature person. You have to be powerful. You have to be more energyful. You need more energy to do it. Okay, this could be the one. Could be that person will come to you with this wheel of fortune, or maybe not. The three fates, what comes around. Okay, you have to do it again and again to propose them, or yes, you have to do it again until it will happen. They choose to marry you. Seven mermaid, your sensuality is beautiful. Your sincerity is beautiful. You are a good person. You are not a bad person. Don't think that this is because you are not perfect for them. You are a good person, but they are not wise person. Here somewhere high priestess is upside down. Yes, no. This clarity is not over here. They have no clarity about you. They have no truth. They don't know truth about you. Dried flowers, fairies, sweet memories, and they have no sweet memories of you. Sweet, you are a sweet person. Okay, I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, your first card is life does not come with a manual. It comes with a mother. So maybe your mother can help you in this situation, or their mother can help you in this situation, or they will heal you because they are not coming towards you, and your mother is healing you. And I think they can help you in this situation. Somebody's mother. Don't judge my past. Look at my present. I am sure my future is really roaring. I think this is you who is telling that person that don't look at my past. My past is now in the past, and my future is really will be good, and in my present I am a better person. So you are telling them, and to come towards you, or maybe this is vice versa. They are telling you, okay, be gentle, love my bones, my may be made of metal, but I have a heart made of glass. That person is telling you that their heart is made of glass. Don't break it. You are hurting them. Okay, empty words and long praises do not impress God. Show him your faith by your deeds. Yes, you have to do good deeds, good work towards other people, so you can please the God, please Allah. असली हक का तसव्वुर अब इंसान के पास नहीं रहा. कुछ मांग रहे हैं तो असली हक मांगो, जो कि मोहब्बत है. जब मोहब्बत मिलेगी तो फिर सब हक खुशी से अदा होंगे. मोहब्बत के बगैर हर हक ऐसे मिलेगा जैसे मरने के बाद कफन मिलता है. सो you need to love, or that person lead to the person that are not in love with the other person. He or she has to love the other person. The love is the reality. And when you have love in your life, you have everything. You write most creative and write best when you are alone with your own thoughts. Yes, think about it. When you are alone, think about it, write it, and then revise it. If that person is good for you, what have they done to you, which kind of person they are. Let parents banquet to their children, and not riches but the spirit of reverence. Maybe their parents have to tell them. You need to tell their parents, their mother, uh, uh, to um, force them to love you, or to make their mind to love you. Rich people are greedy while poor people are loyal. Okay, maybe this person is rich, and that's why he or she is not coming towards you, and you are telling them that uh, he or she may be a rich person, but you are the loyal person, and loyalty is more expensive than the money. It is more unique. Tell him. Okay, that person is very wicked, very mean. He likes money, or he or she likes money. That's why they are not attracting towards you. They are not coming towards you. 35. With this 35 number, 35 planning, and 5 making some change. Change clear your heart and mind through negative changes can be positive, or encourage you to welcome or accept these changes. Expect these changes. Transition. Accept these changes. A transition period, learn from it. It's a tough number, but make it in your mind that there is someone there who is making the change every now and then and help you. Yes, there is a change happening for you, that you are going towards someone else, and someone else is going to heal you. They are healing your mind, your heart, and they are giving their love to you. This person is um, not to meant for you. This person is very they have very bad energy. They are not good for you. That's why the universe is leading you towards your destination. That is most good for with than that person. They are beautiful, they are attractive, they are lovable. You deserve that. Okay, Thor. And the god is giving them the punishment that they don't have you in their life. You are loyal, you are a good person for them, but they are most rude person, that the universe is giving them the punishment, and they you are moving from them and going towards your happiness, and they are moving towards their bad time, acting like a duck, slowly and gracefully, moving around, seem very cool, calm and collective up the surface, but beneath the surface, paddling right rashly and rapidly. Try to seem very casual and calm, but in reality, it will be the totally different story. We When a guy feels very nervous around you, and at the same time he is hiding it from you, that is a very powerful sign. Sweating or constantly spinning from his drink, sipping from his drink. Sorry, he is probably very nervous. That what do you think of him, not knowing where to look at, and if he is constantly looking at you or towards your body parts, then he is definitely in love with you. And I think you are a girl, and you are going to have some guy. You are going to meet that person that is looking at you, that is interested in you, that is going to love you. And this is also for the boys, but the words are changing in that, because this quote is for girls, and your girl is maybe most shy around you, feeling shy around you, and like that, beating their lips, something like that. Okay, now I hope you like it. This is all for you for today, and please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get so you can easily see my new videos with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.